Hello, Frau Queens. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kimani Maggie. This is going to be a quick one. I just want to show you how to do two quick cornrows, two big cornrows. And if your hair is short, you don't really have to do just two. You can maybe make 4, 6, because you really don't want to manipulate your hair too much, because when you're doing two cornrows and your hair is short, it's going to be really tight. So I'm actually talking to people who know how to cornrow. Maybe later on I'm going to create a video on how to cornrow. If you're interested, please comment down below. Okay, so the secret to doing jumbo cornrows is moving slowly. You need to be patient in this, and you don't really have to move faster. You need to move very slowly and steadily, because we want to grab each section. We want to grab every single strand, and also we really don't want to make it tight. We want to just make it we want to grab every single section so that it can be neat, if you understand what I'm saying or what I mean. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm moving slowly and grabbing each section at a time. I'm doing this very slowly, by the way. I'm grabbing every section at a time, and I'm using my other hand to grab few pieces of hair. And also, as you can see, I'm not doing it very tightly, because we don't want to tighten our hair, because we don't want to destroy our hair follicles. And remember, guys, you really don't have to tighten your hairstyles. Please don't do that. Just put it, even if it's loose, just rock it the way it is until you're able to have that grip that is not too tight and that is not too loose. It takes time, so yeah. So as you can see, it's not too tight and it's not too loose, and it's also neat at the same time. And I'm actually not using any kind of gel or anything. What I just did was oil my hair before doing this, so that my hands can glide through and so that I can have less friction. And here at the ends, once I'm done, I just twist my hair. So the only thing you need to understand, guys, is when you're doing jumbo cornrows, just grab a smaller piece at a time. So the main reason I do this two jumbo cornrows is actually to show you guys that you don't really have to do much to your hair. You just need to make it simple, and then you can rock it the way it is. And as you can see my hairline, guys, I was actually losing my hairline and I never noticed it, because I was really doing a lot to my hairline. I was pulling my hair so much, and since I started doing this, making it very simple and not too tight, I saw a huge difference. My edges grew back, and also my hair started getting thicker, and also, guys, I'm able to retain more length. So please don't force your hair into a hairstyle that it was not meant for. Do not put it in tight hairstyles. Actually, it's not really worth it, and our hair was not actually meant to be kept in tight hairstyles. Like, surely, guys, you have all that for, why would you want it to look small? Why would you want it to look too tight? You need to rock it the way it is. If it's going to make you two huge jumbo cornrows, just make it look like that. Allow it to be big. It's a crown. We need to show it out. Yeah, and that's it. That's basically it. You really don't have to do much. Yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. I make natural hair videos, and I would really love for you to join so that we can grow our hair together. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.